Nothing is more satisfying to have this homemade juicy wonton with soup or just go straight in hot chili oil. Please follow us with step by step. You're going to be a wonton wrapping master. Check the list. Let's start. This is the first one we're going to wrap. Top of 1 teaspoon filling on one of the corner edge and then roll up from this corner to top and press both ends to seal. Brush water to one side, press them together. Super easy. Now we start the second one. Top of big tablespoon filling on the middle of wonton skin. Brush water on 4 sides. The opposite side of corner fold in half. The other 2 corners is folded to the middle without overlapping. Press to seal. It looks so good, make me hungry. Now we start the cutie third one. Top of big tablespoon filling on the middle of wonton skin. Brush water on each side. Fold in half for triangle. Pressing to seal the other 2 sides. Now upside down. Fold their joined ends together. It's lovely, is it? Choose anyone whatever you like and enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you next time.